Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. So today's video is going to be a rig review slash demo slash tutorial type of video on this wig right here. This unit is from a company called Perfect Lace Wig. They reached out to me and they sent me their Brazilian Virgin Loose Curl 360 Lace Frontal Wig. The hair length that I have in is 22 inches. The color is 1B. The hair density is 200%. The cap size is medium. Lace color medium brown. This is a 360 unit, so it has the lace all the way around. You can put it up in a ponytail if you want to. I've never done a texture like this. I've always done like a body wave or like a super curly, so this is like a nice in between. It's not too curly, but it's not as loose as a body wave, and I do really enjoy these curls. This is where the 22 inch falls on me. It's actually pretty long to be a 22 inch. It stops about like mid stomach area, and the density is 200%. So this is how thick the hair is, and the hair is still pretty wet. I would say it's about maybe 80% dry, so it does get a little bit bigger once it is fully dried. When I first received the hair, I took it out of the package. Everything was, you know, everything seemed cool. It didn't have a funny smell or anything. Took it out the package. I bleached the knots because I always bleach the knots on all of my units. I didn't have a problem with the knots bleaching. I used 40 volume developer. I left it on for about 10 or 15 minutes and the knots bleached really well. I don't think the hairline was pre-plucked on this unit. If it was plucked, then it was plucked just a little bit, because I had to really go in and pluck this hairline to make it look natural for me. It did have baby hairs. They were pretty long, so I trimmed them up. That's how the frontal looks, and I think I did a really good job on this frontal. Like, it looks amazing. So this hair has a nice loose wave texture. What I do to maintain the curls and get it to look get the curls to look more defined is I just wet the hair with some water, and then I use my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I just run that all throughout the hair, and I just scrunch it so the curls can be a little tighter, and I just let it air dry. So that's all I do to this hair. This hair is really easy to maintenance. It doesn't shed that much at all, surprisingly. Yeah, I mean, when I run my fingers through it and when I comb it out, I do get a few strands, but it's nothing like too serious. The hair doesn't tangle that much either. I only always have trouble with my wigs and my weaves getting really tangled in the back, but this wig does not do that at all. This is a 360 unit, so you can wear it up in like a high pony or like a top knot if you want, because it does have that lace in the back. I haven't quite tried that yet. I probably will do like a top knot or something just to test it out and see how it looks with the lace in the back. I don't really have any complaints about this unit. It has given me no troubles. The hair is beautiful. The lace on the wig is very nice. It's very soft. It doesn't like irritate my hairline or anything. So that's really all I have to say about this wig. I love it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably rate it like give it like a 8, maybe an 8.5, because this is a really nice wig, and the price of this wig is really good as well. It's not too overpriced. If you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, because why not? It's free. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.